Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to our CSE-4510 project presentation. Our project name is ClearAid, and these are all the people that have worked on this project. Now this is the GitHub repo of our project. This is the link. I believe you can see it. I will try to add it on the description. Now let's move on to our project. So this is our landing page. If you ask me, I really love this transition that we have created for us for some reason. Now, what is ClearAid? Now, I have seen that many people want to help other people, and there are NGOs who collect money from the people that want to give the money and help the people who are in need. Now, I have seen there is a lack of a central place where all the NGOs are out there, where you can go there and give out the money. The NGOs can get the money from one place and help other people. And there is no place where volunteers are connected with NGOs or where they can do their voluntary work. So Clearit is works on that thing. Now, if we go down, this is our landing page, some other transitions, a little bit about us, what donors want to do, the NGOs, volunteers. If you have the time, you can join volunteer. And there is this view statistics button, which shows us how many we have collected, how is the targeted volunteer number of NGOs to have collected money, a graph of by the time how much money has been getting by us. This creates a little more transparency and people starts to believe in us. Now you can become a volunteer by filling up this form. This is voluntary registration, the password. The password comes with a little bit of constant, 8 characters and stuffs. Another constant is your date of birth. Anybody born after 2007 cannot register as a volunteer in our website. I don't think they're old enough to be independent enough to work on the voluntary work. So there is skills that you want to add so that other people can see what you can do. This is your photo and the area person. Like if you live in Chittagong, you cannot just go to Khulna to help people. So there is this area part and you can register as a volunteer. Now, in order to save time, you log into an account that I have created before. So this is the volunteer dashboard. Now, this is my name, our gender, date of birth, email account, location, and obviously skills, like what I can do or not. This is the profile from where we can update. Like if we have moved into Chittagong, we can just change to the Chittagong. And if we have learned a new skill or that we want to add, then we can do it here. I believe swimming is kind of necessary in working on some person. And obviously there is this not available and available part. As you can see, the skills has been updated. Oh yeah, talking about the not available part, like you will not be always available for voluntary work, so you can turn it on. It will show you available, and otherwise it will be not available. Now let's log out from here and let's go to the register an NGO. So this is the NGO registration form. You can give us your name, about us, which tells about us, like the past projects and stuffs, your license number. Now NGOs usually have a license number, license image. This has some work to do. I'm talking about it later. Email, the phone number, a physical address. Like if you are running an NGO and there could be some people who don't want to use the online transactions and they want to be physically there and give you the money. So physical address part is here. The mobile payment, if you want to use the same number of phone number that you have created here, this is not written as, you can just click the checkbox. The bank transfer info and login credentials. This login credential is for our website. So yeah, about the license image part, like we cannot let anybody create an NGO profile here and start asking for money. That creates a security risk sort of, and people could scam us. So obviously there's this license image. Now how do we verify that? So if we go to the local host, I'm running it on 5173, but oh man, and go to the admin. You have to change the URL by yourself, otherwise you cannot go there. I mean, anybody cannot create a prep file as an admin. It has to be given from the backend part. Login as an admin. Okay, you can see that there's this NGO that I tried to kill earlier. This is an NGO for cats. They are saying they try to help stray cats. I don't know, maybe they have a thing against stray dogs or something. And this is this license image. And if I click on it, this is a class diagram. Obviously, I don't have a license here, but user can see this and he can approve it or reject it. Now, let's just approve it for some time. So, and if we go back to our clear it part, Go to the login. I will log in. Sorry. Yeah. This is the dashboard of an NGO. You can create a post asking for money. This overview that you have created, our license number, about us, our phone number, and the Gmail. This was created earlier, so the phone number thing is a little bit odd, but now you cannot give, you have to give the phone number according to the Bangladesh rules like 017 stuff, the cash transfer. This is also looks weird. So this is the previous post that we have created. Yeah, we need to buy food for cats, 100 out of 200 achieve. You can delete the post or we can update the post. We'll show this part later, but yeah, here is the volunteer part, like that we have just the account that we have showed you, cooking, making tent. These are the things. I don't think that was the account that I show you. Yeah, no, that was a different one. So these are all the people that are available for voluntary work. Now, if you want to connect, you can just click on their email account and this will send you to an email. You can connect with those people and help with them. Now, let's go to the donation post part. Like this is the donation post that we have created. We have 100 money generated. For suppose when you want to see the maximum to least donations, then you can click on it. Like this is the maximum amount of money that we have got. So this is sorted this way, and I think people would love to go to the least to maximum account. So this is 1700, 1201. It goes this way, and you can filter. So by category, like you have natural disaster or medical treatment. Or, well, natural disaster and medical treatment can be together. So this is how you filter, and also you can be the by completion, like the things that we have completed, they got all their money, or in progress. So yeah, this is out here also. So for now, let's donate some money. Oh yeah, there is the search bar. You can search for your any post. Like for some reason you want to, let's just say, help kids out there. Oh, you have to help kids, so you can just search in here for kids. These sources, these posts where you can see that kids attended in Jaranpur. Or if you go to the recent part and let's just say you want to help this guy buying a GPU. I don't know why this is a GPU, but if we go to the NGO name, like you trust this NGO, you can just search for it, and yeah, this shows up. And this is the author. And if you click on it, you get all the posts that they have created. So again, I don't know why I go back so much. Let's just say this is the account, NGO account that we created. Let's just donate the money. So when it comes to the payment gateway, we couldn't add an actual payment gateway. This is what to say, a very dummy payment gateway. So let's just give uh, bank account information. We can just donate. Now there is this download invoice button. When you click on it, it generates an invoice for you, our name, where we have the payment information, from which bank account, how much you have created, how much transaction data, and the thank you message. And let's just go back to the donation post. As we can see, the calculation has been rated from 100 to 150. And the updates, nope, this website hasn't had any updates. So for that, let's go to the NGO dashboard. Oh, you can create a post asking for money from here. You have to add the title, the description that you're looking for, the select a cost that we have shown that you can uh, filter from the targeted amount that you want to create. And if you want to add image, you can choose a folder. Now again, let's go to the dashboard and let's create an update. Description of the update would be like, we help the cats, and you can choose a file. Like if you want to show people that this is how you have help the cats, you can do it there. So this would be the update. And if we go to the donation post, oh, uh, yeah, you can see, click on the updates and you can see the update is here. So you can let other people know that what you have worked on. And the search bar, I believe, works from here too. Yeah, the search bar is there. So that is, I believe, all of our project. A little bit dive into the backend part. The database that we're using is the Firebase. So there's these collections of our NGO posts that where we have keep the NGO post update where you get the updates now, the NGOs. And the pending NGOs is where the NGOs go before they were approved by the admin. So just like that. And the volunteers data is here. Now, for the image, we cannot add Firebase image here. So I believe this were created before. Anyway, what we're trying to do here for images is that we are saving the image address in your image URL in a file, and then we are keeping the file in our website. I mean, NGO server, and from that folder we are giving it there. I believe this will be all for our project. Hope you had a very good time. Thanks for being with us.